Wow, their workday is tough. I wonder what the next day will be in stores.
Hey, have you seen the vehicle driving through another car?
No, why? Holy crap, the hell was that?
I think we need to tell the authorities about it.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lancaster Police Department. Several reports of an unknown vehicle were seen driving through buildings, trees, people, automobiles, and objects. However, the cause of it is unknown, but this vehicle was not electric. This car is a 2015 Nissan Altima. The color of this car is silver, and the license plate number is 340232. If you see the same with the accurate description, or if you mention car that is going through any objects or buildings, then call 911 immediately. This message will be repeated shortly. Stay away from the mentioned vehicle.